Hi, this is Pam. I did my cross-gendered report on boxing. I had a friend who trains often come in and show me a few moves, and definitely got me a little outside my box. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, let's talk about history of boxing. Throughout history, it has been male-dominated, and even now it's still pretty male-dominated. However, there were some pivotal moments in female boxing to make it well-known and a possibility of professional that we have today. So in the beginning, it was mainly a European thing that was recognized. Girls would just get together and fight each other. And one quote that really stuck out to me was "Coming on Strong, Gender Inequality in the 20th Century Sport." That was by Susan Kahn, who reported on a couple of matches in London. And we had our first women's match at Hills Theater in New York City. But one of the more important things about female boxing, as it applies to the USA, was Barbara Buttrick. She's probably the most well-known and famous female boxer, and she had her first televised boxing match in 1954. She was the first woman to have any boxing match televised. And it wasn't until 1993 that the USA Boxing recognized women boxing as a sport. They are in charge of the bylaws and the regulations and making sure that everyone's following the rules in professional boxing. And there was a court case that was brought up by a 16-year-old girl, and she wanted to box and she wanted to do it right, and she took it all the way to court, and women became recognized as professional boxers. Women in boxing today is still not as represented as male boxing, which isn't unlike any other sport that we have as far as media coverage and airtime and things like that. But it was just announced that in the 2012 Summer Olympics in London, women will be able to compete for medals. There will be 36 women entered, as opposed to the hundreds of men that can compete. But, you know, it's a step in the right direction, that at least they're getting recognized. And I thought it was interesting that while I was doing my research upon looking at women's websites like womensboxing.com and IFBA and things like that, I found that they all had some mention of upcoming male boxing matches or links to other websites, things like that. But when I was on typical boxing websites or more male-dominated websites, they had no mention of women boxing or upcoming matches or anything like that. So, although it's improving, it's still just not quite there. The way this report has related to class is that I really drew off, I believe it was our second reading, and it was where they covered the Victorian ideal, where women were biologically perceived to be weaker than a man, and the way that they were built. They have not as broad shoulders, their muscles aren't as strong, whatever. So therefore they cannot, that was, you know, very oftentimes the excuse why women should not be able to partake in sports, and boxing is especially included. It causes a lot of physical harm to your body, and you're getting punched in the face and other parts of your body repeatedly. Even with gloves, it's still quite painful. So it was believed that women couldn't handle it, although I found it interesting that women can bear children and go through what is considered to be one of the worst pains ever, but they can't box or play any other kind of sport. But that's just me. And it was believed that women should do more. Personally, I have never had the desire to box. I like playing sports, but I'm more of a group sport kind of person. But I also really don't, I mean, not that I don't mind a little injury when you're getting competitive, that's normal and expected, but I just don't like the thought of the act is other. So, and I don't like putting myself through pain knowing I'm going to be in pain. Like, I know a punch is coming, and I had no desire. So it was definitely out of my box when I did this. But it was a good, eye-opening experience for me, and I have a lot of respect for women who can take it, you know, take it like a man, so they say. And I think that if a woman would like to box and that's what she wants to do, she should have that opportunity. So to wrap it up, I can understand why guys like to box. You know, I started thinking about it a little bit, and I was like, girls really, not all girls, but a lot of girls feel competitive with one another and their looks and things like that, trying to be pretty, making sure they have their makeup or their outfit looks good or whatever. And I think that for guys, they compete not so much in their looks, but in their strength and their physical prowess. So by boxing, and it proves to other guys that they're tough and they can fight, and it shows to girls, you know, that they're this big, tough, strong guy. But for me personally, as a girl, I think it's a great workout if I really get into it, but I would never actually get into anything too serious with fighting. But it was really cool to see what it was like and see what it was about. So, it was awesome.
Do I punch across?
Yeah, you punch the opposite hand.
Okay, I just want to make sure. Stop, so
yeah, jab. Target. Jab. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. One more time.
Okay.
That's what you want to say. Yeah, keep your distance. 1, 2, 3. Remember to go like that. Turn your hands half.
Okay.
Jab. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Again. Jab. Jab. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jab. Right hand. There we go. Right hand. Right hand hook. Right hand hook. Right hand hook. Jab. Jab. Jab.
You didn't say it.
I know. I'm not used to whole thing for.
Oh.
Yeah, they usually know that.
Oh.
Different. Jab. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna do it going. Yeah, I'm gonna push you backwards.
Okay.
When you fight, go
So the same thing that I go toward you and you're swinging?
I'm coming toward you.
But I
You
just
back
like
up.
that?
You back up. No, it's the same thing.
Oh, okay.
Jab. You back up as you do it.
Oh, okay.
Jab. Jab. 1, 2. Too close. Stay. Try to keep your distance and then step out. 1, 2. 1, 2.
That's hard.
1, 2, 3. My bad. 1, 2, 3. One more time. It's alright. Jab. Jab. 1, 2. Thanks, Sam. Good jab. Stand like this. Bend your knees a little bit. Bring your hand up here. This one. Up here. That's where you want to stay. Right there. When you fire this out, it goes like that. You lift your back foot a little bit. You lean. Yeah. Yeah, you want to bring it right back.